rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Another review for you guys. Here's the ASAP Ferg G-Shock collaboration piece. Nice watch, nice cool red box. The box itself, it's red. Got this silver Ferg on the top there, G-Shock on the side. The rest of the box, there's the model number, GA110FRG-7A, 7 for white. This is transparent, so they're calling this white. Once again, Ferg right there on the top. There's your manual inside there, warranty card. Yeah. Check out the box. Pretty nice detailed box. This is a trunk box. Once again, G-Shock there. And there it is. It's like a mustard yellow color. And then you got the Ferg, and looks like silver inside the top of the trunk. This one retailed for US $150. GA110FRG-7A module 5146. That's GA110 standard module. Very cool. It's actually pretty interesting. It's got this nice little suede box inside there with the pillow as well. So let's check out the actual watch. Remove it off the pillow, and it's pretty neat. It's a nice little watch. Like I said, it's a GA110 transparent jelly. There you go, transparent. You got the Ferg name on the band holder in green. Pretty neat. G-Shock in black lettering. Then you have a nice yellow, blue, and red kind of accents inside the watch. Not much to this watch. My understanding is that they designed it with the intention of looking like a diamond. So the watch itself is supposed to represent a diamond. The yellow, blue, and red are supposed to be the glow, or the, I don't know what you call it, the glow that you get from when you look at the diamond in the light. But the inside of the watch, you can see the light, the Monday or the date window, whatever. It's a silver metallic color, so it's hard to see in the light. That's why you can't see it in the camera, because it causes a reflection. So it's pretty cool. It's got like a mirror finish, a mirror or silver metallic design, which is hard to see in video. But there you have it. Blue, yellow, red. The rest of it transparent. ASAP Ferg. These are becoming more and more rare. I can imagine this one being more valuable because of the artist ASAP Ferg. I don't know a lot about him, so can't share a lot of information about the artist, but this is his collaboration. There you have it. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Until next time, this is Chavo G-Shock Go. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking